want people to see you in your onesie?
No.
Happy Friday, everyone. So today is January 3rd. And so today, well tonight, we are making some chicken salad. So just like chicken with salad. And I'm just going to show you guys how I make it. Okay, so we have our chicken in a bag. A bag of chicken that I de-thawed today. And I'm just going to place them on a cutting board. Okay, and then I'm going to wash my hands real quick. Okay, so now we're going to take some salt, some pepper, and then lately I've been putting some minced onion on it. And we're just going to sprinkle it on there. And then I'm just going to rub the salt and pepper in. And then I'm going to go in with the minced onion. If I can get it open. And just sprinkle it on top. And then mesh that in. Okay, and then we're going to flip the chicken. And do the same thing on the back. Okay, and there we have it. Okay, and then I'm just going to put some olive oil in our pan here. And then we're going to take the chicken and just lay it in there. Okay, so once your chicken is to an internal temperature of 165 degrees, you're going to move it off the hot stove, and then you're going to put it on a cutting board and chop it up into little bite-sized pieces. Okay, so now we have our bowls with lettuce and chicken in it. So I'm going to add some cucumbers now. And we're going to add some tomatoes. And I'm just gonna have these cherry tomatoes that I cut in half. Was it in the chest?
It was a nice chest, yeah.
Tyler's looking for a notebook, so I was helping him by guiding direction. I had a question earlier today that I thought about that I wanted to ask the people of YouTube about, but I can't remember it now. So I was gonna be like, ask everybody like what their thoughts were on something, but I can't remember what it is anymore.
It's a struggle.
It is a struggle. I should have written it down. Like I knew I would get on camera and like do something like this where I need to talk, and I would forget it. Oh well, maybe next time. Okay. And then we normally put some purple onions on top of it, but I forgot to get some at the store today, so we're going without that. And we're just gonna take some Parmesan cheese and sprinkle that over it. And some salt. And pepper. And then we're gonna take this Caesar salad is our favorite dressing, and we're just gonna pour this on top. And here you guys have it. This is, bless you.
Thanks.
You get to be on camera now. This is our dinner for tonight. So we're gonna eat up real quick. So there you guys have it, and we'll see you guys next time.